Well, that was a pretty fun little experience. I've never been to the service center. So now I know, I know all about 2-year service promise. What was your favorite part of the tour here today, Paul?
I really appreciate seeing all the testing that they do. Like running this for 200,000 shots.
It's mind-blowing.
I mean, there's
3 months.
There's
constant.
Tons of people back here doing nothing but firing these, and that helps to build my confidence. I know how much I like the Paslode nailers. I always have. But for that to go on, I've never seen testing that exhaustive. I mean, pallets and pallets and pallets full of boards with nails in them, and it's just
makes you feel better about knowing that the 2-year service promise is there because they already know it's going to last.
Right.
I mean, I've used it. We found out that we've only used our nails for 20,000 nails, and we've been using it for 1.5 years. This thing's going to last us forever.
Yeah.
It's super ergonomic. I loved kind of seeing all the different people involved and how, you know, I guess enthusiastic they are on like making the best product. Like, we know there's some products that are coming out that I can't wait for, but they're not rushing them. We talked about a 3-year turnaround on a product cycle. That's pretty cool.
That's awesome. Yeah.
Knowing that a company's not just going to rush out and put a product on the market to fill a shelf and make some money, but really make sure that the product is going to fit the need and serve that need for the customer, us, the builders.
That says that they care about you.
Yeah.
The end user.
What was your favorite part, Greg?
I would have to say the cleaning, learning the inner workings of your gun, and like being able to like take it, how simple it is to take it all apart, and then just be able to like clean it, and how easy it is to clean.
Yeah.
I mean, or if you want, you just send it into their service center. They'll do it for you.
Pretty good stuff. Good trip, well worth the time.
Yep.
And glad we got to see it. So big thanks to Paslode for having us out, GRK, Tapcon, all the brands here at ITW.